Yeah.
Good evening. We have no confirmed cases today. Three more of our patients from COVID hospital have been declared cured. So that brings our total number of active cases to 28. Today we sent 1,359 samples for testing, and we have received 984 samples till now. Reports awaited are 471. Suspects under hospital isolation 6. And the rest of the quarantine facility numbers I don't think are any longer relevant. So if any of you need, I'll share with you after both of us speak during the question answer session. For the SSC exam, today was the paper for social science. We had 18,841 students who appeared for the exam.
Very good evening, and today flight landed from Italy early morning, and with the 276 passengers, and they are undergoing testing. This is a group of seafarer. Then total people who have left Goa by different means is 78,029 since 29th April 2020, and 6,648 people have come in by different modes. So far 37 trains have left Goa, and one train is planned to leave for Jharkhand today. Since we last met 2 days ago, and there are 725 spitting cases have been booked, and 1067 additional cases of for people for not wearing the mask have been booked. That is all I have.
Ma'am, yesterday there was a huge crowd witnessed in the North Goa District Hospital regarding due to the people were saying that there were inadequate testing facilities there. Most of them were migrants, and what do you have to say about it? Why was that?
Inadequate testing facilities would mean that we started the test and we could not do the test. That's not the case. This is, you are referring to swab collection, the people who come to Asilo to get their swabs collected. You see, yesterday alone we had 571 passengers from across the border coming through Patra Devi. Just one day statistics, one check post alone, 571, through road alone naturally for border check post. About 150 of them came after 5 o'clock. So naturally there was a build-up at Asilo Hospital, but the moment we got to know about it, the collector as well as the DHS coordinated, and we had some people be shifted to Ponda as well as to Hospicio Hospital in South to get their swabs collected. And today we have again had a very similar situation, large number of people from across the border. We have had to put almost 20-25 people on the job at Asilo, but definitely we are responding to the situation as and when it develops.
So who are these people now?
I don't know who these people are. Naturally, these are people who have taken the permission. There is an online system, as you know. If you ask me who they are, I wouldn't know. But they are naturally applying online. Or of course, we have the facility at the border check post also to fill up the self declaration forms and come. So I wouldn't be in a position to tell you who these people are.
But ma'am, the numbers are likely to increase.
Definitely yes.
Yeah, so I think that last night, even till midnight, I think the problem happened. I think so.
As long as our target is to test each and every person, we will have a situation where people will have to get their swabs taken.
No, not about like somebody like coming, family is coming with small children, and then they are made to. I mean, they have to wait to from 8 hours or 10 hours. Then it is like unbearable situation for anybody. Like so.
We are doing our best to see that we scale up our manpower and meet the increasing demands.
No, normally that there are two ministers principal like Michael Lobo and the health minister said there needs to be some type of tapping to be done on those who enter inside Maharashtra. What is your say on this?
See, I am not here to give my opinions on matters. I can only share with you the decisions of the government. When there is a decision, I will share it with you.
Has it been discussed in the SCC?
We have discussed the problem of a large number of people coming through the border check post, and that is under the deliberation of the SCC.
Even after June 1st, there will be a decision of 50% of opening of restaurants and all. If it opens and all, would it be difficult for us as far as social distancing and what it is?
You see, as I told you, we will be responding to the situation as it develops. I will not predict, I will not foresee into the future about things which are not within the domain of this very press conference. So let us restrict ourselves to the decisions which are already taken or the situations which are already before us. If you ask me about how we intend to scale up, that is a question which I've already answered. I've told you that we are enhancing testing capabilities, etc. But testing is one thing, taking the swab is another thing. You have to take the swab of the person first. That is again a sensitive process through which we have to take it. So we have to ensure that we do the best of what we can to see that people are put to the minimum inconvenience.
Ma'am, how many people are trained to take the swab?
We have trained as many as are possible. I wouldn't have a total number right now, and I can't put all the trained people in one place. I need my teams across the state. I need them at Hospicio. I need them at Ponda. I need them at the airport where the air passengers are coming. I need them at the railway station where the rail passengers are coming. So we are distributing it according to the rational plan that we have.
And there is another thing, at the Naveli Stadium, indoor stadium, the staff there say that as the people leave, migrants leave by trains, another lot of that comes. So it's ever increasing kind of, where are these people coming from?
Do you want to comment on that, sir? Where are these migrants coming from?
Yes.
As and when we empty the Navelim,
See the number one train goes, two train goes.
No, they are coming.
Another 4,000 come.
No, that was the situation, but not. We are not expecting the situation to last long, because with today's train, there were people who were from the Jharkhand, so they would be leaving. There are few people who are left for to go to Madhya Pradesh, and they will also will be arranging one
There is
train
no
for
train
Madhya
to
Pradesh.
Odisha as of now.
No, but train just day before yesterday also, and train left for Odisha, and we believe that this number is not going to shoot up. We are checking it. We are sending SMS to them. We have used IVRS system to confirm that to get more people. Now we have a capacity to send more and more people to their home, and we have sufficient capacity. So we believe that this situation which you are talking about will not further develop. People call their friends when they are about to catch the train. So people in expectation were coming, but we hope that with our current capacity, most of the people who want to go, a substantial number has gone, and whosoever have registered, we are calling them. We are trying to.
What is the capacity of the stadium?
Stadium capacity is about 2,000 as overall for a shelter, but with the distancing norms and everything, we have kept less number of people there, and we try to distribute them as much as possible. But for for cyclone or for other purpose, we have kept the capacity about 2,000 for handling people in emergency. But as I tell you that we expect that by evening that shelter would have very minimal number of people, and we are not expecting a large number of people to again come back. What you said was happening, but when we were sending too many trains, but now the number of trains have a large number of trains have gone, so we will not be having that kind of problem anymore.
One moment, I'd just like to mention there's a message that I've got from the Director Health Services right now. 40 plus staff have been put in Asilo alone to operate the counters there 24/7. Yes.
How many counters do you have to take swabs?
So there are 40 plus staff, so they will be distributed according to the counters. The number of counters, 40 plus staff have been put. About 3 to 5 counters are activated already. Yes, yes.
इतने सारे लोग जा रहे हैं ना लेबर, गोवा में क्या इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है आपको लगता है? 1 लाख माइग्रेंट अपने वाले
About the movement of migrant, I feel that people, it is their choice. It is an option available to them. They are exercising this option. And regarding the impact on economy, I think it will manage its own course. Wherever there are activity, we feel that like in fishing sector, people are not coming out in that number. They are still working. So I think it's society which is managing itself, the economy which is managing itself. I feel that the situation is comfortable. I don't see any any
Major impact.
major impact, and especially with monsoon coming, generally it is end of the season for working season in India.
You spoke about airport facility like testing and all. Now in the second week of June, around 2,500 seafarers are supposed to come. So are you all prepared for that also at the same time?
Yes, we are prepared for both the seafarers coming by air and the seafarers who will be coming by ship docking at MPT VR. At MPT alone, we have 4 sample collection kiosks. And for the air passengers, you see, anyways, they're going to be with us under quarantine, institutional quarantine for 7 days. So we are not collecting the swabs at the airport. We first allow them to go to the hotel, which they are, of course, declaring to us where they are going. And then we are collecting the swabs from their place, from the place where they are going to. This is the protocol we have followed for all seafarers right from the beginning.
Seafarers demand is still that they should be, it should be made free quarantine. It should be paid quarantine.
I would not comment on that.
Ma'am, are the guidelines for people, for the public, I mean, especially the use of masks and hand hygiene, all these things, are they likely to change slightly because of the upcoming monsoons? Because there are reports about, the social distancing norms, they're likely to be made a little more severe because of the monsoons and the cold weather and everything. Anything discussed along those lines?
You see, we will be going by the ministry's guidelines. So far, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has not issued any revised guidelines regarding your safety hygiene protocol. You see, monsoon preparedness for us as individuals is a different protocol. We normally carry out campaigns to tell people not to have stagnant water to avoid the breeding of mosquitoes. So those type of regular vector-borne disease-oriented campaigns will go on. As far as social distancing norms are concerned, we have not officially been intimated about any change or stringency being increased in the protocol.
जब इतना लोग आ रहे हैं गोवा को विजिट कर रहे हैं गोवा के अंदर बाहर का कोई तो वो लोग कुछ टेस्ट कर रहे हैं नहीं तो कोविड सर्टिफिकेट लेके आ रहे हैं ज्यादातर लोग
तो टेस्ट मीनिंग हमारा तो 2 ही ऑप्शन है, या तो आप कोविड नेगेटिव सर्टिफिकेट लेके आइए या फिर आप टेस्ट कीजिए. कोविड नेगेटिव सर्टिफिकेट बहुत कम परसेंटेज है, बहुत ही कम परसेंटेज है, बाकी सबको तो हम टेस्ट कर रहे हैं. ये बाहर से जो आप गोवा को विजिट करने के लिए आ रहे हैं, मैं उस पर कुछ नहीं बता सकती हूँ. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि गोवा को विजिट करने के लिए अभी लोग आ रहे हैं. हमने जितना डेटा एनालाइज किया है, सबका यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ तो घर है, रेसिडेंस है, रिलेटिव्स है, फैमिली है. तो हमारे एनालिसिस में तो यही आया है. और जो आप पूछ रहे थे कि टेस्टिंग का, ज्यादातर तो परसेंटेज तो टेस्टिंग का ही आ रहा है. बहुत कम लोग कोविड नेगेटिव सर्टिफिकेट लेके आ रहे हैं. I will just, thanks for raising that point. I wanted to mention it. DHS in fact requested me to mention it in the press conference that we have made an online system with the active help and support of our Director Information Technology and Secretary IT also, which helps us send SMS. हम सभी को SMS भेजेंगे कि आपका रिजल्ट ये है. तो इतना हमने ऑलरेडी सिस्टमेटाइज की है. आज से एसएमएस जाना शुरू हुई है. लगभग 700-800 एसएमएस ऑलरेडी जनरेट होके जा चुकी है. तो उसमें उनको डिटेल्स मिल जाएगा कि आपका रेफरेंस नंबर ये था, आपका टेस्ट जिस दिन हुआ था वो नेगेटिव है. पॉजिटिव होने से तो हम ऑफकोर्स उनको अपने से ही लेके आएंगे. तो नेगेटिव वालों को ही तो हमें इंटीमेट करना है. पॉजिटिव तो वैसे भी वी हैव टू एक्ट इमीडिएटली. जैसे रिजल्ट आता है हमें एक्ट करनी है. Who's being put on home quarantine now?
No. Those who have been asked to be at home quarantine.
In general, those who have been asked for general caution. That group is very, very limited now, because you see, initially we used to tell that the people who have come into some type of contact with the positive people should maintain home quarantine. But in our case, in the second wave, we have had only people coming and we realizing that they are positive as soon as they enter. So they have not gone back to the localities that we asked somebody else to be on home quarantine. Then now we are saying you give us the swab, and after the swab is taken, then you go and maintain self-isolation till the result is coming. The result is anyways being generated within 24 hours in most of the cases. So that is a protocol right now. Home quarantine, already you may be aware that JIPAD has also issued one set of instructions for panchayats. JIPAD is doing a very good job trying to raise awareness amongst the panchayats. And this is, as I was telling earlier in one of the press conferences, To see whether home quarantine is being maintained or not, we need the active support of panchayat. So that has been done by JIPAD. JIPAD has sensitized all the village level functionaries and has actually made a sort of brochure and circulated it, which outlines the role that the panchayat should do.
Ma'am, your health bulletin does not have the TrueNet testing.
Our testing includes a TrueNet testing.
That includes
Yes,
the-
yes, absolutely.
12,000 or whatever.
Absolutely. It includes a TrueNet testing. Yes.
मैडम इतना सब कोविड पॉजिटिव आ गए ना, उसमें से कौन सा स्टेट का ऐसा ज्यादा परसेंटेज है?
वो तो ऑलरेडी ऑनरेबल सीएम ने भी उस दिन पीसी में बता दिया था कि महाराष्ट्र से हमारा ज्यादातर परसेंटेज दिखाई दे रहा है अभी तक तो।
कुछ क्या हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट कुछ क्या प्लान कर रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र से कुछ
वो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट का पर्व्यू नहीं है, वो तो गवर्नमेंट का डिसीजन है। तो वो तो गवर्नमेंट का डिसीजन है जो गवर्नमेंट लेंगे।
कुछ चेंज हो सकता है?
वो अभी तक चेंज नहीं हुआ है।